Teaki, go run. Go play. Go run, play. Go run, play. Go run, play. Pablo? Hey, Pablo, what you doing over there? Eating grass, leaves. Teaki, Teaki, look up. Look up at the camera. Look up. Look up at the camera. Would help if I had the camera on the dog. Look up. Oh, there he is. Oh, he's a sweetheart. Just a little foo-foo dog. Just a foo-foo dog. Yep. Enjoying the sunshine this morning about 9:30. You can tell this one really loves the sun. Looking up and doing an act of worship. Yeah. He's a sun worshiper. Indoor dogs love to get out when they can. Now he's going to go follow his brother. There's his brother coming right there. Hey, Noki. Big old Noki, he's the fearless leader. He's the smartest one, too. Are you the smartest one? Are you the smartest? Hey, Noki. Well, he's not very smart. He's eating leaves, too. How does a dog digest a dried leaf? I don't know. But it is quite nice out here in the sun today. And I think I'm taking all my pictures wrong, sideways or something. But I've gone this far with it. I guess I'll turn it this way. Maybe I'll get some decent shots of the dogs. Pablo and Noki were partners. Oh, how they did love the yard. Their hair gets a lot longer than this. Usually you see them with their hair dragging the ground like little princesses or royalty, you know, with their hair done up in a little bow at the top, but we keep our dogs cut short. Keep the hair cut shorter. Usually they're about time to get a haircut. As soon as it gets a little bit warmer, they're gonna be shaved. Then they look like this hound right here. Hey, Pablo. Pablo. Hey, Pablo. What's life like with two foo-foos? What's life like with two foo-foos? Well, he's becoming a foo-foo himself. When we bought him, he was so small you could put him in a teacup almost. See his shirt there? I'm a star, or a rock star, that's what it says. He's a rock star. Scared of his own shadow. Speaking of which, there's his shadow following him. He's looking at it. Okay. All right. So long from Dogville.